Welcome to how to iPhone camera setting. So in this video we are going to show you how to iPhone camera setting. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So if you want to change the settings of your iPhone camera, then there are two ways. The first one is you will tap on your settings here, then you will scroll down until you see the camera option. So you will scroll down here. Here should be the camera option. Yes, here is the camera option. Just tap on it, and now here you can see that we can basically change some settings from here. So the first one is record video. You can just select any format from here in which you want to record your video. Mine is selected is 4K at 60 fps, and then basically you can see that we have like different type of options here as well. So you can basically adjust these options according to your need. And then we have record slow-mo, record cinematic, and then we have formats as well. And you can just basically play around with these settings as well. And the next option is to open up your camera, and now here you can see that we can basically change settings from here as well. Okay, so if you want to take the photo, you can just basically turn this flash on and off from here. Okay, and if you tap on these arrow here, we see bunch of different options here. And to add the timer, you can just simply turn on the timer as well. And the next thing that we can do is we can basically add some filters as well. So you can just tap on the filter option, and you can see that we can add different type of filters as well. And now if we talk about the portrait, we have different modes here. So switch to the portrait mode, and then we have some light modes here. So you can basically select any type of mode. And we have panorama as well. And for the video, we can basically switch video from here as well. If we want to shoot in 4K, it should be in 4K. If we want to shoot in HD, it will be in HD as well. Then we have cinematic video, then we have slow-mo, then we have time-lapse as well. So these are the settings that you can change. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.